Hello children, in this video we are going to study mathematics chapter number 5, understanding elementary shapes on page number 98. Now children, here we are solving exercise 5.4, question number 5. Now children, they are asking you which angle has a large measure, first estimate and then measure. Now if you look at these two angles children, which angle you find it larger? Of course this B1, because this is wide open and this is narrow, so this is bigger, larger. Now let's see the measure of angle A and measure of angle B with the help of protractor. Now children, with the help of protractor, if you see, you have to place it here like this. At this vertex, this point line should be there and this downer line should be coinciding this line. So here it is 40 degree. So this is 40 degree. Measure of this angle is 40 degree. Now let's see the measure of angle B. Again we are going to keep it like this children. And here it is not 70 but two lines less than 70, means 60 plus 65, 66, 67, 68 it is. See children, like this. It is reflecting somewhere, it is like this. Wait children, it is moved like this. Now children, so here it is 68 degree. Now question number 6 is, from these two angles which has larger measure, first estimate and confirm by measuring them. Now if you look at these two angles, we find that this angle is larger. Now let's confirm it by measuring. Now children, let's again keep this protractor here like this, and if you keep it here, you find that this is 45 degree. So this is 45 degree. And children, again you will keep this protractor here like this, and if you will see the measure, you will find that it is between 60 and 50. It is exactly in between. So this is 55 degree. Children, the light is reflecting, but if you will keep it like this and measure, you will find that it is 55 degree. So in this, which one is larger children? This second one is larger. Now children, fill in the blanks with acute, obtuse, right or straight angle. An angle whose measure is less than that of right angle is which angle children? Acute angle. An angle whose measure is greater than that of right angle is obtuse angle. Obtuse children. Now children, the third question is, an angle whose measure is the sum of the measure of two right angles, means 90 plus 90 is 180 degrees. So which angle is it children? Straight angle. Now children, when the sum of the measure of two angle is that of right angle, then each of them is which angle children? Acute angle. Two angles are forming right angle, so each of one of them is acute angle. Now children, when the sum of the measure of two angle is that of straight angle, and if one of them is acute, then other should be obtuse angle. Okay children. Now children, question number 8 is, find the measure of the angle shown in the figure. First estimate with your eyes and then find the actual measure with the protractor. So let's estimate it first. Now children, in this figure, if you look, I find that this will be 30 degree. My estimation is of 30 degree. Now let's take the measure with the help of protractor children. We are going to keep it here like this. Yes, it is 40 degree. So this is 40 degree children. What is the measure? 40 degree. Now children, make what is the estimate? What do you think? Which how many degree this angle should be? Estimation 120 degree. Now let's take with the help of protractor. See children, here 120 No, it's 130. So this actual measure is of 130 degree. Now children, let's see this C number figure. Now children, looking at this angle, what do you think, what measure it can be? I think it can be of 50 degree. Let's see with the help of protector. Now children, if you will keep it like this, you find, keep it very exactly children. Huh? See like this. Okay, it is between 60 and 70, exactly between 60 and 70. That is, it is 65 degree. Now children, what do you think, how much degree this angle should be? I think it is more over here, so I think it should be 140 degree. So let's see. No, it is 135 degree. This is 135 degree. Now children, question number 9. Find the angle measure between the hands of the clock in each of the figure. Now this, which angle you are seeing this children? 90 degree. Now children, what is the measure of this angle? Now children, if you keep this protector here like this, and if you look at here, you find that it is 30 degree in measure. See children, like this. This is the angle. Now see here, I am keeping it like this. And you find that it is coinciding with this line, and that is of 30 degree. So this is of 30 degree. Now children, what is the measure of this angle? This is 180 degree. Now children, 10th number question. Let's read the question first. Investigate. In the given figure, the angle measures 30 degree. Look at the same figure through a magnifying glass. Does the angle becomes larger? Does the size of the angle change? Here children, the answer will be no. This answer I am writing children. No, the measure of an angle, here the answer will be children, no, the measure of an angle will not change by viewing through a magnifying glass. Okay, now children, they are telling you to measure these following angles, write their measures and write which type it is. Now children, first AOB I am doing it for you, rest you have to try it on your own and write the measures. See children, here AOB is of measure 40 degree. The type we will write afterwards. Now children, AOC, if you see, you will find that it is 125 degree. Now children, BOC, if you keep it like this, you find it 85 degree. Now children, DOC, if you keep it like this, you find it 95 degree. Now children, DOA, let's measure. Now children, here DOA is 140 degree and DOB is a straight line, that is 180 degree. Now children, 40 degree means acute angle it is forming. 125 obtuse angle. 85 is less than 90 degree, again acute angle. 95 more than 90 degree, obtuse angle. 140 obtuse angle. And 180 degree is a straight angle. With this, we have completed exercise 5.4 children. Now, in the next video, we will see about perpendicular lines and exercise 5.5.